everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today is the first of 5 videos I'll be doing this week to help you prepare for the holidays. To start the week off, I'll be sharing 5 DIYs to make your home smell great for this cozy season. In addition, I think all of these crafts would make excellent holiday gifts if you're wanting to do something DIY for gifting this year. I will be using all of my own essential oil blends, which I will leave in the description box, and I'll be using a really similar blend for each of my crafts just so that I have a uniform, cozy smell throughout my whole house. Let's get started. First, we're starting off with something super simple yet effective, and that is a room spray. This recipe calls for only 3 ingredients. You combine vodka, essential oils, and water into a spray bottle, and you have a fragrance that can be used anywhere in your house. Next up is Potpourri. I love Potpourri because it gives off a subtle fragrance. It's a natural way of decorating, and you can use it year after year. For my Potpourri, I just combine pine cones, dried orange slices, and juniper berries, bay leaves, whole cloves, and cinnamon sticks into an airtight bag with my essential oils. I let that sit overnight and then transfer into a decorative vessel for display. Next up, we have Toilet Fizzies. This craft is great because it gives off a really nice fragrance and it also cleans your toilet. Toilet Fizzies are very similar to bath bombs in the way they are made and how they work. So you just combine baking soda and citric acid with your essential oils. Then you slowly mix in a vinegar and hydrogen peroxide mix. Then you can press the mixture into a silicone ice cube tray or mold and let that sit overnight. Once your fizzies are dry, they are ready for use. You just pop them in your toilet and let the fizz do the work. Next up, I am making a closet satchel. These would also work in your dresser drawer. This craft is so easy to make. All you really need is rice and essential oils. I also decided to add in dried juniper berries and an orange slice, but any dried elements you add are completely optional. So I'm reusing a bag that I already own. You could also make your own bag or buy one from a craft store, and there you go. Super simple closet satchel. Last up is probably the most common way to give your home that cozy smell, and that is a candle. I am making my candle slightly more eco-friendly by using soy wax and a wooden wick. I am also reusing some jars that I had from previous crafts. After I melt the wax, I am adding in my cozy essential oil blend and some food coloring. Since some of my jars are clear, I thought adding food coloring would just give it that special festive look. So there are my 5 favorite crafts to make your home smell amazing. All of the recipes and instructions will be listed in the description box below. Please let me know if you try out any of these crafts and how they work for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you join me in the rest of this week's videos. Bye guys!